fan, and that is a fan. But that is an electric fan. Electric fan. And this is fan, hand fan. Hand fan lang to. Hand, gamit kasi ang kamay. Ayun naman, electric ang nagpapagana dun sa fan ngayon. So, the same. Fan. Okay, fan. Okay. Next. Ano ito? What is this? No, this is not a pen. This is paper. And another word. This is a This is no. Paper. Sabi nyo nga, paper siya, pero ang tawag na pad paper. So, pinaikli, pad. Say it again, pad. Pad. O, ginagamit yan. Meron kayo, lalagay kayo na pangalan. Pad paper na, walang buwet. Ito may buwet, ito ay pad. Okay, next.